It's 6 a.m., your alarm goes off. You know exactly what you need to do. And you hit snooze. Again. Welcome to the club of people who are sabotaging their own dreams 5 more minutes at a time. Stop lying to yourself. You don't have a motivation problem. You have a truth problem. And the truth is this: you're addicted to comfort and it's destroying your potential. The harsh reality. Here's what nobody wants to admit. That voice in your head saying, "I'll do it later," that's not you. That's your brain's primitive survival mode treating your gym session like a tiger attack. Your brain literally cannot tell the difference between a hard workout and actual danger. But here's the plot twist. The most successful people on earth, they have the same brain, the same doubt, the same resistance. The difference? They've hacked the system. The new method. Element 1, the 10-second window. Forget the 5-second rule. That's amateur hour. You've got a 10-second window between thinking and doing. In those 10 seconds, your brain is deciding whether to act or negotiate. Here's the move. The moment you think, "I should do this," you physically move within 10 seconds. Stand up, put on shoes, open the laptop, don't think, move. Your body will drag your mind with it. Element 2, the identity shift protocol. Stop saying, "I'm trying to work out." That's a loser language. Instead, say, "I'm someone who works out." See the difference? You don't try to brush your teeth. You just do it because that's who you are. Apply this to everything. Number 1, I'm someone who shows up. Number 2, I'm someone who does hard things. Number 3, I'm someone who keeps promises to myself. Say it until your brain believes it, then watch yourself become it. Element 3, the pain-pleasure flip. Your brain runs on one algorithm: avoid pain, seek pleasure. But you're getting the wiring wrong. Right now, you think hard work, pain; Netflix, easy calc to pleasure. Flip the script. Train your brain to see hard work, easy calc to the pleasure of becoming unstoppable. Netflix, easy calc to the pain of wasting your one life. Write this down. Every time I avoid discomfort, I'm choosing a painful future. Read it daily until it haunts you. Element 4, the anti-motivation strategy. Here's a secret. Motivation is garbage. It's unreliable. It's the friend who shows up when things are easy and disappears when you need them most. You know what's reliable? Systems. Not discipline, not willpower. Systems. Examples: gym clothes on your bed before you sleep. Phone in another room while you work. Calendar blocks with no negotiation allowed. Accountability partner who will literally call you out. Make the hard thing the only option, not the best option. Element 5, the 2-minute deception. Your brain is scared of, "I need to work out for an hour." It's not scared of, "I'll just put on my shoes." Lie to your brain, tell it you're only doing 2 minutes, just 2. Put on gym clothes, just open the book, just write 1 sentence. Here's what happens. Once you start, your brain realizes, "Oh, this isn't that bad." And momentum becomes your best friend. You'll end up doing 30 minutes, not 2. Element 6, the scorecard method. Get a calendar. Every day you do the hard thing, you mark an X. Your only job? Don't break the chain. Why this works? You're not competing against anyone else. You're competing against yesterday's version of you, and that's a game you can win. The ultimate truth. Listen closely. Every single time you do a hard thing when you don't feel like it, you're building an indestructible version of yourself. Every single time. The person who can run when they're tired, study when they're distracted, work when they're unmotivated, that person is unstoppable. That person gets everything they want in life. The final challenge. Right now, not tomorrow, not in an hour, right now. What's the one thing you've been avoiding? Close this video and do it for 10 minutes. Not because you feel like it, because you're that person now. Drop a comment. What are you doing right now? I want to see it. Hold yourself accountable. The person you want to become is on the other side of the things you're avoiding. So stop avoiding it. Start becoming your move.